why you are alone. You are alone because you are going to create a history. You are going to achieve something so big in this life that no one has ever thought of. You are not part of the crowd. A group of 20 people, we are not able to recognize who is greatest of all those 20 people. But if one person is standing different, then that one particular person recognized by everybody. The more you go up in life, the less people will going to be with you. बट एक सवाल आता है कि हम सही हैं फिर भी ये हमारे साथ क्यों? God knows that you are so special and you can create something so big in this life. That's why He has made you, selected you for this particular thing. And ये वो moment होता है जब कोई आपके साथ नहीं होगा लेकिन God हमेशा आपके साथ होंगे. And this is going to be the reality that if you are alone, you have to suffer more toughness in life. It is never going to be easy for you. It is going to be more difficult, and we need to be prepared for that, because somewhere these obstacles and the hardness in our lives will make us different from the rest of the world. And you are special, and we should seek this as the greatest blessing, because and this is the time where we can actually connect to ourselves. And there's one more very beautiful thing. हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हमें कुछ ज़्यादा ही पेन दिया जा रहा है लाइफ में, बट एक्चुअल में वो पेन हमें उतना ही दिया जाता है जितना गॉड को लगता है कि हम बेयर कर सकते हैं. If you rewind yourself in your life, तो आपकी लाइफ में जब जब पेन आया है, you have overcome that part. You have somewhere overcome from that pain, overcome from that obstacles or hurdles. आप वहीं स्टक नहीं हो, आप वहां से निकल आए. इसका मतलब वो लिमिट नहीं थी आपकी. मतलब हम अपनी लिमिट को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देते हैं कि मैं इतना ही सफर कर सकता हूँ, बट समवेयर गॉड नोज आपकी लिमिट क्या है. ये हमें उतना ही दिया जाता है जितना वी कैन एक्चुअली सफर. इफ ही इज गिविंग यू, देन ही इज विद यू. ही इज वॉचिंग यू ऑल टाइम, ऑब्जर्विंग यू. सो ट्रस्ट हिज प्रोसेस, बिकॉज ही इज प्लानिंग समथिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड सो ग्रेट फॉर यू. एंड आई बिलीव that you are definitely going to do something great in life, and you are not alone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.